guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a weekend maintenance vlog, y'all. I haven't really done a maintenance vlog in like a hot minute, but I do need a lot of maintenance done, girl. My nails need to be done, my lashes need to be done. I'm gonna put a wig on, so that need to be done. Majority of the stuff is going to be DIY, so if you are a DIY girly like me, then step to the front. But right now, I am gonna be going to kind of like a brunch outing with my friend. We're just gonna go to a cafe and kind of just like talk and chill and everything like that. So I do have to get ready for that, as you see. Let's go ahead and get ready for my show. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready. I'm not fully done yet, but this is basically the fit. So for my scent today, I already kind of put the Ariana Grande perfume on me. It's the cloud one. I'm gonna put on both of the Yara perfumes that I got. I love these scents, they're so good. Oh my gosh, I just sprayed my mic, I'm pretty sure. My apologies, y'all. Out of both of the smells, I love this one the most. And I love like matching it with my outfit. For example, like if I'm wearing like a lighter pink fit, I would go for this one only, so I can like match the vibe of what I'm looking like. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and do my skincare and stuff like that now. And also I want to say I am going to be getting a facial today too. It's going to be at $150. Getting a facial, kind of just like an extraction. I feel like I've been having a really hard time with my skin. The Lord has been like reminding me not to focus on that stuff. It's definitely a process because, you know, I can't just like stop worrying about my skin completely. There's been different times where I have talked about my skin in a video, but I just haven't, I just didn't put it in the video. I don't know when I'm gonna get a retwist. I really truly don't know when I'm gonna do that. I think God's plan. So yeah. For the shoes I'm gonna wear, it's probably gonna be these ones. Super cute. Okay guys, so I have finished, you know, doing everything that I need to do, so let's go ahead and head out. Okay, hey guys, so I just finished having brunch. Right now I am at CVS. I'm just here to get some white nail polish because, like I said previously, I wanted to do my nails, so I'm gonna get this. $10 for each one is actually kind of crazy, but I think I'm gonna get these maybe from Peach Slices, these acne spot dots, because I don't have any more. I guarantee you these two things is gonna cost 20 bucks. I literally said it was gonna be 20 bucks, and how much was it? $22 for two things. I'm actually like distraught. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. I had to learn about love. I read it in Hebrew, I read it in Greek. And what I discovered is love got nothing to do with being in sheets. Starting today, I ain't saying on God, I'm saying Jesus Louise. Remember I used to be geek, yeah. I wasn't feeling complete, yeah. Now I just throw up a prayer, yeah. That will be giving me peace. Okay guys, so I am at my facial right now, guys. Okay guys, so I just finished my facial. It was nice. It feels the same, not gonna lie. It looks glowier. I don't know where I'm gonna go right now. I'm honestly really hungry and I have to use the bathroom, so I'm probably gonna go home because I honestly might get some fries from McDonald's. But yeah, this is my face. Super nice. I'm gonna go, I don't know where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna do like a montage of wherever I go next, and yeah. Guys, so it is a couple hours later. The last clip that you guys saw of me was when I got my toast done. I think I'll show you. I don't really like showing my food on camera. This is what they look like. Super cute. I haven't gotten that done in a long time, so I'm very glad that I got to do that. But right now, I'm gonna do my nails. I'm just gonna paint them white. I'm not gonna do too much because I just don't really want to wear press-ons kind of right now. Let's just paint our nails white and call it a day. Let's go ahead and do my nails. I don't want to yap too much. But this is the SC nail polish. Let's get into this so I can go to sleep. So I'm going to use this. I don't know what this is called. I'm going to use this rag for my nails. My nails look like this. I have already like shaped them and did everything like that, so I don't really need to do that. Gosh, I haven't like done my nails in time. Hey guys, what's up? So it has been literally days. I think I started recording on Saturday and it is currently Tuesday. It is currently Wednesday, y'all. What I'm about to do at this moment, at this second, I am going to shave my face and I'm going to install this wig. The wig is already on my head, okay? But it is definitely not installed. It is literally right here. This is my forehead. This is where the wig is at. We can get an idea of what's kind of been going on. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. You already know what I use if you watch my channel on a regular basis. If you're not subscribed already, and if you don't watch my videos on a regular basis, what are you doing? Tune in and subscribe right now. This is also the razor that I use. Y'all, I didn't stab myself a few times with this razor, so I wouldn't recommend if you're new at shaving your face. It's going to cut your skin off. Like, it's not even jokes. But look at how clean of a shave that just got, and I just started shaving. Okay guys, so this is what the face looks like. Now we're just gonna go straight into doing our hair back. I'm gonna slick my hair back so it's like not frizzy because it looks stupid. We're gonna get this braiding gel. This is so like satisfying. I'm gonna put my name in it, like my initial, like they do in those stupid videos. Not stupid, my apologies guys. This initial has to buy you something. That is slick, y'all. What the heck? Y'all see the difference? so I just put on the wig I am banning for an hour, but this is my hair and I shaved my face. So we did 2 more things. All I have to do left is just my eyelashes, and then I have to do an everything shower, like shave and stuff like that, because I have not done that. I'm not sure if you peep, but this hair is so tea, like it's like kinky. It looks so good. I don't know when I'm gonna see you guys next. I really don't know. I will see you guys when I see you. Hey guys, what's up? It is hours later and I still have this thing on my head. I'm about to take it off right now because I'm about to go to bed. Oh, I do not like when this happens. I'm gonna kind of just leave it as it kind of is right now. And I want to do my lashes because I'm trying to get them over with. I'm going to be using these clusters. They have built-in spikes in them. I'm not going to be doing like a second layer, none of that. I try, like there's so many times in like my YouTube videos where I'm like editing me doing my lashes and I look stupid, so I like cut it out. Like, this is realistic. It's literally like the truth. Like, this is me. And I don't do bottom lashes because I told my sister how she feels about it and she said it looks like dirty, and so ever since then I haven't done it. I've been told that I look better without like lashes on and stuff like that. I don't care what you think, yada yada yada. I'm not like that, because I was leading into the baddie like aesthetic, the baddie people, like the baddie girls. Like, I wanted to be a baddie. I think honestly baddies are demonic. Why are we women of God that are supposed to be leading into holiness, why are we calling ourselves baddies? Do we know what a baddie is? Like, let's really like look up the definition for baddie. I don't feel like, you know, being a baddie represents God at all. Take that as you will, but I feel like being a baddie is just something that, you know, we take from the world. Honestly guys, comment down below if you guys like when I talk, because I don't really talk on my videos. I'm gonna say that right now. I don't. I mean, I do actually. I do talk in my videos. I just try not to put it in my videos anymore as often as it was previously. So I don't have like sections in my videos to where I'm just like yapping away, because I feel like it's boring, and right now I'm trying to focus on getting people to actually watch my videos, and I feel like it's hard for me to do that when I'm just yapping the whole time. But like, let me know what you guys like about my videos. Let me know if you guys like when I talk or when I do montages or whatever. And I really do love when you guys comment on my videos, like genuinely. It makes me so happy to like see that I got a comment on my video, like period. And you know, I'm gonna respond to all my comments. If it's from my family member, probably not gonna comment. Like, I appreciate y'all, but it's not as sentimental because I'm gonna be forcing you to watch it. I feel like it's more sentimental when I have like someone that I don't even know watching my video willingly. My lashes are basically done. I don't know, they look honestly really weird. Like, doing my lashes actually feels like a freaking sport. Putting on lashes is like a really hard sport. It's a girl sport, you know, of course. Does that look better? I would say yes. This is cute though. Baddie, I'm a 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 baddie, baddie. Like, I wanted to be a baddie so bad, but God said no, you're actually not going this way. You've been going down this path for a while now. Just for a little bit, not too much, not too long, because you wasn't really fitting in the aesthetic anyway. It's so crazy how far I've come. When I look at my old YouTube videos, I don't even know since I was like faded in. I was high when I first started doing YouTube. Like, I was literally under the influence, and now I don't smoke anymore. I'm able to take a full breath. I'm able to take a full breath. I used to struggle to breathe. Like, I couldn't take a full breath. Like, it would hurt. Not gonna lie, sometimes I do miss it. Sometimes I do miss like smoking and getting high, but I remember the feeling. It felt nice, but like waking up in the joy of the Holy Spirit, fully engulfed by the Lord's presence, or just throughout the day, that's even better. But I pray that I don't fall into that sin, even though I do desire it. Just pray that I have a hatred for it genuinely. Not only does it like make you feel weird, which is probably demonic in itself, like, when you're like really high, it feels like you're floating. that gotta be demonic. It gotta be demonic. I personally, when I did it, I didn't just do it to feel a little buzz. No, I'm doing it so I can feel the highest that I ever felt. Filling my lungs tight. It was filling my lungs up. Oh, wait, I don't even know what I was talking about. But if you're struggling with like smoking or anything like that, guys, I strongly urge you to pray to God, not have you to desire it anymore. Just pray for like a supernatural intervention where God reveals himself to you and you want to just give everything up. A man gave up killing people, killing the same people that Jesus advocated for, and he led that person to preach his name boldly. If Jesus can get someone to stop killing people that he hated, he can stop you from smoking. He can deliver you from that. In Jesus' name. He can deliver you from smoking, from drinking, from crack. He can deliver you from lust, everything. He can deliver you from cancer. If that isn't his will, he will do it. He can deliver you from death. He delivered me from death. OnlyFans. Just your sin in general. He can deliver you from all of that stuff. All of that shame that you have. Oh, I'm a murderer. You can be forgiven. Even if you kill somebody, you can still be forgiven. Hitler, if he believed in Jesus Christ, he could have been forgiven. And I know that's crazy and that's hard for us to understand. Like, but if you genuinely mean it in your heart and you do want to repent and turn away from that sin for all of your life, you can be forgiven no matter how bad the sin is. We're not God at the end of the day. I know it's kind of messed up. God has wrath on people. It's not like he's just getting off free. God is going to put his wrath upon that person. They're going to get what comes to them. And that's for everybody. Even me, even you. Everybody is getting wrath if they do something that is a sin against someone else or against God. It is going to be wrath. We do not deserve forgiveness, but God gives it to us anyways because that is his gift to us. Jesus is his gift to us. And all we have to do is accept him. If we don't, then we won't be forgiven. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be all for this little section. I'm not sure when I'm going to see you guys again. Most likely this weekend. Bye! Hey guys, it is literally a few weeks later. So I got a new rate twist, a whole bunch is going on. I just wanted to come on here and end off this video. It was I'm not proud of this video, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's very much all over the place. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!